In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an indicator in TradingView, ensuring you have the tools to customize your analysis to suit your trading style. Let's get started with understanding how to navigate the platform efficiently. First, bring your attention to the chart in front of you. When you're working with multiple indicators, it's crucial to manage them effectively, and here's how you do it. You'll want to start by opening the legend. You can do this easily by clicking on the down arrow located right under the symbol name. This is where your entire list of indicators will appear, allowing you to see what you're currently working with and to make necessary modifications. Once you've opened the legend and can see your indicators, find the specific indicator you want to edit. If you're looking to remove an indicator entirely, simply click on the trash icon. It looks like a little garbage bin. This is a quick way to clean up your workspace if something's not serving your analysis anymore. However, if your goal is to dive into customizing the details of an indicator instead of removing it, go ahead and click on the gear icon. This gear icon represents the settings for your indicator and opens a menu of parameters you can adjust to better align with your analysis needs. Here you'll find options to change various aspects, such as the length of the indicator, which can affect the period it measures, the colors used for visual clarity, and styles that can help differentiate one indicator from another on your chart. This level of customization can be invaluable in making the data more intuitive to interpret at a glance. After you've made your desired adjustments, take a moment to apply those changes. You'll generally find an Apply button, or you might just need to click OK to confirm and save them. It's important to ensure that these changes have been applied so they reflect on your chart. Another handy tip: there's actually more than one way to access these settings. If you're already focusing on your chart and need a quicker route, you can right-click right on the indicator itself. This brings up a context menu, and from there, select Settings. This will take you straight to the same options we discussed, providing a seamless and efficient way to make adjustments without having to go through the menu. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you're setting yourself up to not only read charts more effectively, but also to interpret market trends with the clarity and confidence every trader needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in refining your trading strategy using TradingView's powerful tools.